In this video, I'm going to be showing you where to find Flexwood in LEGO Fortnite. Be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. Now, what you're going to need first is a rare axe. Now, this is what you're going to need to actually harvest the Flexwood. And in order to actually harvest the Flexwood, you are going to need this, but unfortunately it's kind of hard to get because you're going to need something that is also in the Dry Valley biome, and that is something called amber, and we also have a video on that, on how to get the amber. So once you have this rare axe, you're just going to go up to the cacti and break the cacti. And once that is done, you will have your Flexwood, and it is all in the axe that you have. Now, that's all there is to it. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.